Hello YouTube. Today we are here at the Auto Spa Express Car Wash in Janesville, Wisconsin. We're pulling up to the machines. And there's a SpongeBob car wash. It's a new mascot.
Sponge Spa.
Yeah. It's coming in August. We're going slow. Yep. This is we're going pretty slow this time. Okay, we just keep going. Keep going. We just keep going until we approach the cash machine. And wow, look at that.
Oh, you gotta pay?
Yeah.
Oh.
You gotta pay.
Suppose I better look for some.
Yep, and this is my first time here. I never done a video of this one. And I'm washing the Mazda MPV. And as you all know, yeah, we're pulling up to the cash machine. Oh, get the $13 wash.
Ooh.
It's
Can't open that window. I can't open that window.
Then
I'll
you have to
get out.
Yep, you're gonna have to
That
get
window
out.
it won't go back up.
Yeah, and I can see
Okay.
something cool. This is a car wash that I've never seen in Houston. This is Blue Coral Products, like all the other car washes I've been to.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an item at any time during this method.
Okay,
Please wait while your receipt is printed.
all those other car washes, the gate opened, and go ahead. Okay, close the door,
Okay.
and now pull forward.
Okay.
Wow, they're busy today. I can see Cadillac STS, Chevy Silverado, and Honda Civic Hybrid. Those kind of cars are going inside the wash. Huh. Yeah, and with this car wash, well, I like how this tunnel wash could use a top brush. Other ones can't because they don't do that. And we got to wait. We gotta wait until this Honda Civic pulls into the wash. And we're getting the Auto Spa car wash at 11:21 a.m. Yep, and you can see Janesville over here. And there's Chevy Express right there. And as you can see, we're about to pull into the wash.
And there's places you can clean out.
There's places that we could clean the inside. In fact, back there, yeah, the back, and the van's pretty dirty. Okay. We're about to get in here. Okay, put it in drive. Now keep going. Go, 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 go. Okay.
Stop.
Stop, yeah.
What's that guy doing?
He's prepping the car down. Yeah, and when we pull up, we're not gonna brake or steer. And yeah, this is,
They pull us along.
Yep, those little wheels. That Chevy Silverado up there is about to be taken in.
Here comes somebody
Yep,
behind us.
it's a Jeep Grand Cherokee, a Jeep Wrangler. All right, that Jeep Wrangler, it's behind us. Well, in fact, we're moving into the wash. Yep, and when we pull in, we're not gonna brake or steer. We're gonna put it in neutral. We got our antenna down. Well, you could hear that bell ding.
Ooh, there's another car.
Yeah, it's a
behind
GMC Yukon Denali.
us. Yeah.
Okay. The conveyor rollers up there, they're taking the Honda Civic in. Now keep going. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. You're fine. Go. Go, 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 go. Just keep going.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, jeez.
Just come on. Just keep going. Yep, and the car up there, it's getting Rain-X. Okay, keep going.
Gee.
Just keep going.
Okay, wait now. You want this? Okay.
Gotta put the car in neutral.
Neutral?
Yeah, neutral.
Neutral?
Yeah. The sign says we gotta put the car in neutral. Do not
Okay.
brake or steer. We gotta put our
Okay.
antenna away.
I can't. It doesn't go away.
Well, this is a good car wash. Looks like, yeah, this is my first time to an Auto Spa Express car wash like this because all the other car washes I've been to are probably closed right now.
Think so?
I don't think so because I don't think the other car washes were closed. Yeah, the windshield wipers don't even work. Oh, we're prepping our car down, and looks like there's soap right there. Well, there you guys are prepping the car. There's the Jeep Wrangler behind us. There's pre-soaking, and there's a high-pressure blast. Wow, this is like an amusement park ride, but it's not an amusement park ride. They're getting the car. It's about to do the back there. There's wheel right. There's triple color.
Oh!
That's the triple color wax.
Yeah.
It smells like cherries, and there's a big brush.
Yeah.
There's the brush. And there was another brush back there.
It's scary.
I don't think so. It's just a car wash. And yep, there's more brushes right there. And the brushes are getting in the car. There's another brush right there. Look at those things in front of us.
When do you get a rinse? Up here?
Yeah. There's Rain-X.
Okay.
There's more brushes. That's a weird sound in here. Well, the brush is doing the back there. There's a rinse. The Rain-X. There's a spot-free rinse. There's a dog wash right here. In fact, this car wash, yep, the Auto Spa Express car wash here in Janesville, Wisconsin. Here come the dryers.
Okay.
Yep.
Ooh, those are big dryers, huh?
Yeah. I don't see any of these car washes around Houston. Yeah, and I'm not very well versed in car washes, so I don't even know what type of tunnel car wash this is.
I don't know.
I'm not even sure what type of tunnel wash this is.
Is it gonna blow our wind
Yeah,
into there?
they move. There's the car wash back there. The Jeep behind us. Those are airlift doors. And I think, in fact, I still want to see those cars go through.
Can I go now?
Yeah. Wait until the sign says go.
Okay, you did. Do you want to, should we park around back and you can watch some of the other ones go through?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
We exited the car wash, so I'm gonna end the video. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.